Question 6 you understand. Let's move on to the few more questions. Okay, students. So 7th question. Dash come to school with the help of wheelchair. Who is coming to school with the help of wheelchair? Aryan, Amit or Rupal? Who is coming with the help of wheelchair? Rupal. Rupal is coming to school with the help of wheelchair. Understand, students? And next question. In gutter. In gutter, we release dash from our home. From our home, there is one thing is releasing to gutter. What is releasing? That is rainwater. In our home, rain is there? No. Dirty water or drinking water. What we are releasing in gutter? Rainwater. When rain comes, it is releasing and it is coming. Understand? Not from our home. Understand? Dirty water. In every home there is dirty water. That is released in the gutter. And drinking water, no one is wasting drinking water, because one poem you remember, water everywhere, there is no little drop of drinking water. So that much precious it is, drinking water. So we have to preserve it. Understand, students? So the answer is dirty water. Understand? The arrangement of street disposal are done by, everyone is staying on street. Understand? उस street का disposal कौन responsibility लेता है? Who is taking care of that street disposal? One is municipality, second is government, and third is ourselves. We are doing that. हम खुद ही हमारा street का हम फेंकने जा रहे हैं? No. So this one is not the government. Government they had said. But overall, look out who is doing that, municipality. Understand? Every street disposal is done by municipality. Understand, students? One is municipality and another one is panchayat. Understand? So next is here, the municipality is the right answer. And let's move on to the next question. Okay, we should have dash attitude towards the giver of any necessity. If anyone help us to give something, what type of attitude we have to have? You have to say, it's okay, I am having this attitude. No. Let's see the answer. Needful. Needful means I need that. That attitude you will say, no, I don't want. This is harmful activity. And as well, thank you so much. This activity, which activity you will be having? We will have a respectful activity. Thank you for giving this thing. We will give in respect. And thank you. Like this we will give? No. Understand? So we should have respectful attitude. Understand, students? Next, plastic should be thrown in dash. Plastic कहाँ पे throw करते? Plastic should be thrown in anywhere. कहीं भी फेंक दो, कोई problem नहीं. Nowhere, कहीं भी नहीं फेंकना है. Dustbin, it should be thrown only in dustbin. So which is the answer? Answer is it should be thrown only in the dustbin. Understand, students? Let's move on to the next question. Last question of this part. Okay, came to Ahmedabad. Who came to Ahmedabad? Whether it is Aryan, Amit or Rahul. Who came to Ahmedabad? It is Aryan. Understand, students? Hope you understand this set of questions. We can revise few more questions. Okay, students?